Hi, my name's Jelaine Mills. I'm a math teacher here at Northwest Cabarrus High School. I teach Math 3 and Math 4 this semester. A little bit about me. I was a programmer before I started teaching, and I loved it, but I ended up needing to be around with my kids when they started going to school. Now they're all grown up and graduated, and I'm still loving teaching, so I stayed in the profession. I've been teaching about 17, 18 years. Been here at Northwest for about 4 years, and I absolutely love it. This is one of the best places I've ever worked. A little bit about our class. Everything that the students will need to have is on Canvas. You're welcome to join our Canvas group as well. You can go on to our page, my page, and my Canvas page, and you'll be able to find the Remind message code. So if you'd like to join our Remind group, you're welcome to do that as well. If your student's absent, they can find everything they need on the Canvas page. The worksheets will be on there, and they'll be able to see the worksheets and then know what they'll need to get as soon as they come back into class the next day. There's a book that they know about that they can just go grab the worksheets, any of them that they need to get a hold of. Assignments are listed on Canvas as well. Even if it's a Delta Math assignment or a Desmos assignment, something like that, I'll put an assignment out there on Canvas so that they'll be able to see it on their calendar. I don't grade it from there, but it will be on their calendar that way. So if they need to be able to see what they finished and what they haven't finished, they can do that as well. We do combination of worksheets and class participation and Delta Math and Canvas, some Canvas quizzes, and just several other different things. I try to mix it up a little bit so that it's not too boring, because I know math is always everybody's favorite subject. It's mine, so that's a good thing. All right, if you need to get in touch with me, you're welcome to contact me through my email address, or you can, like I said, join the Remind. Go to your students' Canvas homepage, and it will have my Remind code on there. Again, I've mentioned Canvas several times, so if you need to find out any information on what we're doing, please go to my Canvas page and look under modules. You'll be able to see everything that we're doing every day on the modules underneath in Canvas. Just please let me know if I can help you guys in any way. Thank you.